So I've been asked about the iron-on, like the smart iron-on materials. And guess what? Cricut has the learning kit. It's the learning kit for iron-on. And the stuff that's inside is like a great way to kind of test it and gauge it and learn how to use it. So it's made for the Cricut Maker 3 and Explorer 3. However, if you have any of the other machines, the iron-on materials, the smart, you can cut it down to fit on a mat and it works. Trust me, because I have leftover and it scraps considered. And I was like, it won't fit through without a mat, but I'll put it on a mat. So, and I'll use it. So it's nice. And the kit is reasonable, and it's a nice way to gauge, like, okay, let me test these materials. So let's go ahead and get it open. I have my little X-Acto blade. Take that off. And it's a sleeve, so you just slide it on off. Okay. And then it looks like over here, let's take that off. Okay, here we go. So that's over there. Let me turn it back on the side. Ooh. Okay, so it has a quick start guide and the weeder, which is nice because you'll need that to weed your vinyl. And then a quick start guide. It goes through to start your journey. You just activate the Cricut design space, you download it, has it right here. And then if you need a prompt code, oh, this is like one of the makeup bags. These are nice. Has a cheat sheet. I recommend getting that laminated and keeping it, or use a sleeve cover. And then it has the vinyl, the smart iron-on vinyl. It has several sheets, which is nice. And this is to be used without a mat. And let's see the colors we have. Gold, silver, red, and kind of like a space gray, it looks like. Nice. And you have the, oh, holographic smart vinyl. This looks pretty. So you get to experiment with all of these different materials, and it's all iron-on. So when you load it, it's the shiny side goes down into the machine and it cuts. So there's 2 sheets of that. And here's some smart iron-on. And there's several sheets of that as well. It's like the white, black, red, and a blue. And again, shiny side down on your machine. And that's the unboxing of the learning kit for iron-on.